This is only angled really good.
Catching, is it? All the way up
I
on
wonder
it?
if I gotta,
We all the way on it?
yeah. Let me get on it more.
Brass. Brass there. Tap around this, Doug, around the edge for a minute.
Let's see if I can get a better. Okay, that's a little too loose, I think.
Yeah. You tighten it up while it's on there.
Seal
Tap on,
lobe.
good tap on that.
Seal lobe.
Put this pipe on there now.
You're gonna hurt yourself. There you go.
It's loose now. That's
Yes, sir.
We'll be able to turn it now.
You want me to go get the snake?
Not yet.
Hey, can you turn that
Light.
light a little bit the other way? Yeah, dang. So we can see good enough. That thing, I'm sitting there looking dead in it. That thing's blinding the mess out of him. Look, Linda's over here videoing us.
Yeah.
Send to her buddy.
No.
Wanna hire these two monkeys? That's what you ought to do. You ought to video us. Want to hire these two? He'll probably say, yeah, because if they're idiots enough to climb under the house.
Yeah, we need a shorter.
Deep pipe rent. Oh, if Nichols was over here, I sent him to get my. Here, I'll get it right here.
I don't think you can get back on there. Might mess up the
Here, I'll just put it on.
backwards. Well, I could do that over here. Pull up with it.
Yeah, just put it on.
I don't know if it's gonna stay on.
It should.
There you go.
Yeah. Squirt some more of that stuff on there.
I mean, it's loose.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. We'll get that in there.
So you need to turn the light back. I'm not getting a good video now.
Oh, okay.
That's better.
Nothing comes shooting out of there.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
Ooh, let me get the
Here's
flashlight,
Here,
Linda.
get a flash. Get you a whiff of that dookie. Right there.
Linda, get that
I'm
flashlight.
getting it. Hang on, hang on. Ah.
That was,
Ouch. You would leave the flashlight inside.
Right here.
Okay, here,
Tub. Actually,
here.
just throw
that's
it.
the tub right there.
If it was a sink between the sink and the shower, they wouldn't be backing up. I mean, they wouldn't be. This is the sink, I guess.
No,
Okay,
that can't be the sink.
that could be the shower.
Ow, God, how'd that feel?
I don't know how that could be the sink. That's the
See?
toilet. Man,
Um,
let me see.
I'm trying to think of where her shower is.
Well, this is her shower, I'm thinking. Or is this the main? See, this is the one we were
That's
pushing.
her
This is
shower.
her shower right here.
Yeah.
See, and the other one probably
See,
goes.
this is clogged, but I'm trying to figure out what this is.
See, that's got to be the sink on the other side of the wall there, then, because her shower backs up to the kitchen, I think.
This is a gigantic freaking. This is on. This has got two drains on it. It's got this drain and then one up on the side. Which
Well,
would, oh,
remember-
that would be the basin sink. Yeah, that's the basin. This is the sink in the bathroom.
Now remember, there's two bathrooms and they back right up to each other.
Yeah, but well, maybe. Oh, I bet this is the tub. You got a tub in your house?
Yeah.
And,
A regular tub?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
This is the tub. Yeah, this is the tub.
Is it?
Yeah, and that right there, this pipe here is that overflow for the tub. Yep, this is the tub. This is the tub drain, tub P-trap. This is the shower P-trap.
That's
This is the sink.
the kitchen sink.
Probably the kitchen sink. But anyways,
But
what,
see-
what'd you see in there? A mess?
Actually, it was clear as far as I can see.
So what do we put the snake up there? Then it'll go up the pipe into the.
No, this will just go straight to the septic tank.
Well, then that doesn't do any good.
No, because if it's clear,
Look in there, Matt. I mean, it's clear as a bell.
But what about going? So there's no way to go up that.
not over there. The only way to do that's what I said is we'd have to have a 2-inch P-trap and cut that P-trap out. But I still don't understand how water's getting past that right there.
What about
This is-
below that?
This here is backwards.
Hang on.
Backwards. If this is coming from